Right here in the update function, we're going to go ahead and type if input dot get key. Oh, and be careful, this is case sensitive. And then we're going to add another set of parentheses, and then we're going to add a quotations, and we're going to type the key we want in between these quotations. So for me, I'm going to use A, but you could use W, S, or D, but we're using A. Then we're going to go ahead and add some curly brackets, and between the curly brackets, we're going to type debug.log. And then we're going to add another set of parentheses and another set of quotations. Oh, that's not quotations, quotations. And we're going to type what we want it to return. So I want it to say, you hit A. Then we're going to go ahead and add a semicolon to finish off that statement. And let me run down what this means. So what this will do is for every frame A is held down, it will return this. You could also type it like this, which will check for the frame that the button is pressed down, it'll return that, if you only want it to return once. You could also type it like this, which will return it when the button is released, the frame of the button is released. But for now, we're just going to use this. We're going to go ahead and save, and then we're going to go head back to Unity, let it compile, and then we're going to run the game. We're going to go to the console, and we're going to get A, and as you can see, it's returning you hit A for every frame that I have the A button held down.